Hey guys, welcome back. It's Ilhan here. So today we've got a basic rice dish. You can have it white or you can have it yellow, and I know a lot of people find it difficult to master just simple white rice. I did for the longest, so I thought I'd teach you a method that I've mastered that never fails me. So I'm using 1 cup of sella rice, which is golden basmati rice, and the measurements really don't matter for this. It's more about the method, and then we're going to give it a really good wash. You want to boil some water on high heat. I'm just cheating and using kettle water because it just saves me so much time. And then you want to add your rice. Don't worry about the water starting to look cloudy. It's just the fact that I've added it to boiling water. I don't add any salt to the water simply because we're going to season this dish at the end. But once your rice is 80% cooked, guys, and it starts to look elongated like this, I'm going to take it off the stove and drain it. And you want to bring it back onto the pan, but the cooker is off, guys. The rice will continue to cook in its own residual heat. You need to leave it to rest for at least 10 minutes. This way the rice will become very fluffy. Otherwise, if you continue cooking it in the water, it will become very starchy. This is totally optional, but I'm adding 1 tablespoon of olive oil. This is going to help prevent it sticking together, and I really do love the taste. If you don't want to use olive oil, I would say use butter. I know this may look strange, but at this point add a tablespoon of chicken stock powder, aka Maggi. My cousin's wife taught me this method, and trust me when I say, add it at this point rather than when you're boiling the rice. It is a lot more flavorful this way. At this point, you can just choose to serve it as white rice. Otherwise, go ahead and add a teaspoon of turmeric powder, cover the rice and leave it to cool down. We leave it to go cold because that helps the color stick onto the rice and be a lot more pigmented. And when I'm ready to eat, I just put it back onto the stove on low heat. Look how fluffy that rice is. It just looks beautiful, and trust me when I tell you this, that this is fail proof. If you follow me on my other socials, you guys will know how much I love my trusted rice cooker. But when I'm cooking basmati rice or Somali rice, or I'm cooking it with a really nice stew with meat, this is the method I always go for, and it never fails me. Once you master this, you will never go back to cooking rice any other way. And that's a wrap, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, please do hit that thumbs up button. If you haven't subscribed, please do make sure to subscribe. And until next time, guys, see you later.